Hey guys, this is your first assignment for Senor Sanchez. Before you get started though, make sure you have gone in to Launchpad through NEISD, clicked on Google Classroom, and added the Google Classroom for Senor Sanchez so that you can connect with her there, because that's where you're going to be submitting your assignments. The first assignment is La Cocina Mexicana. She wants you, let me read it. I want you to research for me, if you have access to the internet, Mesoamerican staple foods. Basically, she wants you to write a mini report on what those foods are. What ancient people ate those foods, and what foods do we eat today, coming from Mesoamerica. I then want you to research La Cocina Mexicana, or Mexican food, and I want you to research a new Mexican-inspired dish that used Mesoamerican ingredients. I want you then to tell me a new recipe in the food that you investigated. Now that would be due on Friday, okay? The next assignment, oh, I'm sorry, when you're done with this, you're going to submit it in Google Classroom, okay? And let me know if you guys have any trouble with that. All right. The next assignment is Miguel Cervantes. And she says, I would like you to research for me, if you have access to the internet, who was Miguel Cervantes? Where was he from? Why was he so important to Spain? What did he write? This individual is one of the literary world's most famous writers. His epic story has been translated into the most languages on earth. Write a mini report for the significance of Cervantes, his most famous work, and how you connect him to the work. Okay? You guys can do it. Let me know if you have any questions.